Business leaders, avoid these 3 common mistakes when it comes to replacing your computers. Number 3 is the worst. 1. Allowing your employees to use old or cheap, slow computers. Your biggest expense isn't replacing the computer, it's payroll. An underperforming or cheap computer is going to cost you far more, because think of it this way. If that computer wastes even 10 minutes of an employee's day, add that up over a year, that's 43 hours of your payroll gone. And let's not forget opportunity costs and the impact of company culture from frustrated employees. Number 2, even if the computer still turns on, outdated operating systems just can't keep up. Old software equals security risks, slow performance, and incompatibility with modern apps. If your employees are fighting with their tech instead of working, you're losing money. Number 3, and this one's the worst, letting your computers get too old. Here's the thing. If your computers are older than 5 to 7 years, it's time to replace them, because now it's a liability. At this point, you're dealing with potential hardware failures, lagging performance, and hidden costs that far exceed the price of the replacement. The bottom line, your grandpa's old advice, if it ain't broke, it's making you broke. So, before you think about running your system for another year, ask yourself, how much is this really going to cost you?